Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 4 minus 4 times 4 over 4. Maybe you solve this math expression like this first. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0, and 0 times 4 is equals to 0, and 0 over 4 is equals to 0. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression like this first. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. We have one multiplication here that we have to solve this first, not this subtraction. So we have 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Now let's rewrite the expression 4 minus 16 over 4. Now 4 minus 16 is equals to 12, negative 12 over 4. Now we can simplify this expression. 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1, and 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. And minus 3 over 1, that equals to negative 3. Thank you for watching.